Why did I ever start this piece of shit?
Yeah, but you'll get it done someday, and it'll be nice.
Not enough years of my life anymore, Bob.
Well, it's only been, what, 20 years?
Never get it off though.
I think I'm gonna get that other trailer, and we can just put it from one to the other.
Which other trailer?
I'll go buy that trailer off of somebody, either John Lee or.
Here.
Is there a way you could jack it up and block the suspension?
What?
Is there a way?
Well, we could maybe. We can't get a jack into the bottom. That's the problem.
Yeah.
And it's dragging on the floor. Maybe the other tires. On the other tires, the valve isn't here. The skirt's on, so you'd never get at it. And I doubt very much that the valve is here.
Can't take the skirt off?
Well, you gotta get my. Can't get my hand in there.
Where is it? Where are you
It's
going to
right here.
On top?
Right there. This one here doesn't look like it's too low anymore, though.
Well, there's no weight on it, is there?
Yeah. Yeah. Nightmare. Nightmare. Got the nice new garage for it, though.
Yeah. I kind of figured the new house was ready.
It's not ready.
No?
We're living in our motorhome probably for 3 months, maybe more.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's when the new people move in.
Tomorrow. Friday.
Friday?
Yeah, nice people. You like them.
Locals?
No, they're from Winnipeg.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, how long can it take to move it? For half an hour? Maybe an hour?
No. Can do it in no time.
Whose idea was it to put this lowered suspension? This modified lowered suspension.
Well, if you'd left it as a T-bird.
Big mistake was putting that Lincoln motor in. That was my demise.
Well, it wasn't the motor. It was the rest of the Lincoln that you put in that caused the problem.
Yeah, who would have thought I couldn't find an electrician though, you know? That was it.
That's incredible. I don't know what else I would have that could help.
Tony Hill has an electrician do his car, but he wants like $90 an hour.
Yeah.
It's all doing it.
Wow.
Or 70 or $90 an hour you want.
He wants
What kind
regular.
of car has he got?
That MR2 with that Mazda motor in it.
That's he wants full shop rates without the overhead.
Can't say I blame him because it's a different motor with it. They're all computerized.
Yeah.
But still, like, holy Christ, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Should we try?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll take that battery.
Well, we'll just see. They might not do it. They might not go.
That 2x4, I wonder if we could bang that first and get that.
What's off? It's just going to slide. It's not on the wheel no more.
How much pull have you? How much pull?
Oh, you break it.
How much pull does that winch have?
Well, it's $2,500. 20. Oh, what's going back to that? 2,500, and I got a snatch box. So
you're pulling 5,000.
okay. Well, we were dragging it before, eh?
Yeah.
It was dragging on the bumper, and it was dragging in the deck. Yeah. We're lucky we got it on straight, eh? Can you imagine? Is your steering wheel locked or?
No. Got to get to the other side here.
What, the cable?
Oh, me.
Oh.
Go back. I'll be right there. I just have to get on this side.
Oh, we're on the ramp now, so
Yeah.
we should go now.
you lower the trailer now, it'll be easier pulling because you're on the deck all the way now.
It's on
Or
the
is it?
trailer.
Oh, those are the ramps are just well back.
Gotta be. It can't be that hard to pull the car. Gotta be the brake size. A little more.
Another 6 inches or so.
My piece is
Yeah, it's coming onto the deck now.
The guy should be able to push it now, you know?
Go ahead.
So the brakes are like it's like the brakes are on. The brakes are dragging.
It also weighs 6,000 pounds, and you're
Oh, but
going
when you're
uphill.
rolling, it doesn't matter. Like,
Yeah, but you're still trying to push it uphill.
well, not much though. Yeah.
Well, maybe for you firefighters.
Oh,
but,
a winch! Fuck that winch!
yeah.
You should be able to pull. I should be able to pull this truck on there with a winch, no problem.
Yeah.
Your off brakes drag a bit there. Holy,
Yeah.
that makes a. Leave it go. I bet you it doesn't go back. I bet you the brakes are on. I bet you, eh? Not on, but they're holding.
That's going to be the third brake light.
How are you gonna get this thing off though?
Just back up fast, hit the brakes.
You'll have to hook it onto something because we can't. I thought we push it back. It doesn't
Linclon Mark 8 interior. Actually, the whole running gear. Except they had to add 6 inches to the wheelbase. Yeah, I put the.
You guys should be able to push it. Whoa! Probably okay there. You look at your pipe there. That's probably balanced already.
I would think you're likely pretty close.
Huh?
I would think you're pretty close. Yeah, I think to get it off, if you put the ramps on top of more wood.
Even now it pulls easy, but it's still hard, eh?
Yeah. Oh.
Take the pads off. There's got to be that, eh? Because, well,
The wheel, I think we were turning pretty easy there.
you guys you should be able to move that now, eh? Right? It's level. It's like the brakes are on.
A little bit of rust on them, maybe.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't take much, eh?
Nope.
Drink.
Bring it home and I'll jack it up and take the pads off. But I don't know, can I jack it up on there?
Is it going to go to your house?
No.
So you can work? Why not?
I don't even want to go there to work on the pads in case it somehow stays there. But
Well, you never finished it.
go ahead.
You're the one. You're the master with the
Maybe right here.
the master with the plaster.
Yeah. Work with a jacket. Maybe I guys should be able to jack it off. Hey, I bet you I can jack it off.
We could jack it right from there, probably.
Okay, you're only lifting one side, but on this thing. So
I'm just wondering if I get a trailer, can we back it up?
how are we going to pull it off?
Maybe we can winch it off on one trailer to another.
I need to perfect this mortar.
I probably won't be able to get that trailer until tomorrow. Unless I get that trailer and you use that to move Tony's car, and then we'll do it.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. Longer, right?
Things are all longer.
Ratchet thing, maybe?
Yeah.
Might fit in there. I don't know. It's pretty heavy though.
Still have your little S truck?
Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna put that up.
Don't drive it much?
I've been doing it for 5 years.
No?
Does this work, Morris?
Yeah, man.
The ratchet thing's right behind you there.
Yeah, that'll work. You kind of have a beam. Shouldn't go through the floor. You wouldn't think.
I would think so.
Floor's gotta be stronger than that. We'll see. Oh yeah, I think that front was on the beam and this one too. So.
Kind of car like this is the kind you get Manitoba Motor League
Yeah.
in case you have a flat tire.
Well, when the airbags are on, it's not so bad. You pump them up very high, you know.
Yeah.
But, did you get it off the ground?
Oh,
Maybe we should put some air in that one.
Wasn't there a long arm?
Yeah.
It's here.
See, yep, it's been so long you forgot. You're going to have to start working on it again.
I thought I had it sold a little while ago, but
Well, I know there's an arm there. Oh, not here?
it,
No. I got my hand right on top there and all I feel is the pin. Or is the arm?
the arm is probably right here. It slips over
Yeah,
that bit there.
but how do you?
I
Can't be there. Yeah, it's an arm and you slip down and it comes out.
Yeah.
You have to be able to get at it, right? It's a round arm, eh? Like a piece of round metal?
Kinda, yeah. I put it on, I got my hand right up here somehow.
Yeah.
There's the valve stem right there.
I don't see the arm. I bet there'd be anything there.
Is the other skirt around?
It's in the front.
Well, we could get air in it. We can put a bit of air. It doesn't hurt it. If you got air left.
Is there any air left in here?
Well, it's not these brakes that are dragging. We'll do the other side and see. Gotta be the front. The front are easy to oil everywhere. Yeah, I don't see how we put. I can't see no air things hanging here, Warren.
No,
Unless they're.
we might have moved it from the other one, from the front.
Oh, you know, the fittings are right there, but there's no pipe on them.
Look, Justin's here.
Rudder on?
Oh, man. Give me a gun.
One of those?
Worse than that.
Worse than that, eh?
Worse than that.
It was for an hour 7.
So this stuff.
The tranny. There isn't a plug in it, so when you jack it up, it'll.
Oh.